We've inherited the farm from Alan's parents. It's been in this family for generations. We want to pass it on. It comes naturally. This is what you want to do, to protect and just be stewards of what we have. Our main product would be yogurts. Of course, everything is additive free. We all want to change the world, but we can't. But we can just change our own world and our own environment. That's as much as we can do it, and we'll do it to our best ability.
As part of Board Bia's Origin Green programme, we have a number of different initiatives that go on here on the farm. It starts actually in our canteen. We find that it's very simple things you start with in terms of changing the culture of your company. So we have a large bank of solar panels on our roof. It heats about 65% of our water in the year. We also harvest all of the rainwater on the roof of our dairy, because we all know that our resources are going to run out sometime, and we all need to do our little bit. It takes a long time to change the thinking and change cultures and the way we do things. But the important thing is that there is change. Sustaining a small farm in rural Ireland is very, very important, and it keeps life in an otherwise very rural area. We do this because we want to live here. This is our lives. I'm a farmer. Why would we want to move? It's us.